Hello, my name is Rodrigo, and today we will learn how to use Bookcreator. This cool and amazing app will bring creativity to our class and it will allow us to create some mind-blowing interactive books and content. So first of all, we're going to sign in. If you're a student, you should wait until your teacher sends you an invitation code. If you're a teacher, you can register, you can sign in as a teacher. All right, so once we have signed in, we have here our libraries. In the free account, we have access to at least 2 libraries. So here, as I am a Spanish teacher, I have created my library called Español. Here you have a book about Cuba. And as you can see, I have added different multimedia, photos, some tests, etc. All right, so we are gonna create a new book. So I click here on the top, new book. First of all, we have to choose the size of our book or comic. And here we have the cover page. This is the first part of our book. So here we can start adding in this icon, we can start adding different multimedia. Bookcreator has its own library, but it is quite limited in the free plan. So, but it doesn't really matter because we can import images from Google Maps, images from Google, or we can use Google Maps, or we can also import images or videos from our laptop or computer. So if I want to read a book about Spain, for example, if I type Spain, here you can add different images of Spain. Okay, here you can reduce the size. What else can I do? If we can, we can also take some pictures, instant pictures, or we could also draw with different pencils, or here on the top, we could add different emojis. For example, this one. All right, perfect. What else? We could use some text. If I write, bienvenidos a España. Welcome to Spain. Okay, but I don't really like this test. So if I click on the test and I go to the letter I here on the top, here I can change the size, I can change the font, I can also change the color. Oh, cool. Perfect. But this background is not really for a book, right? So if I don't click on anything and I go to the letter I again, I can also change the background. There are a lot of designs for free, and I don't like this one. Nah, this one, for example, okay? Perfect. So we have our cover page, and now we can start adding all the pages we wish. And here we can add all the pages here on the right. Perfect. What else can we do? We can also, this what I find very useful, we can make our students to record their voice. So this is very useful because they could type some test and then they could send the same but with their voice. So it could help them to improve their writing and speaking skills, especially if you are teaching a language. So here you just click on start recording. Hello, I'm Rodrigo, and I am your Spanish teacher. And today we'll talk about Spain, for example. So you just add it here. So the student, when he has access to this library, he will click on this icon and he will listen to the teacher. All right, so once we have finished our library, our book, we can share this book with our students, but we need to share the invitation code I told you, remember? So here you have the invitation code. So you just copy this code and you share it with your students. Okay, so now I'm gonna register, I'm gonna sign in as a student. So when you sign in as a student and the student sign in with its email, so Bookcreator will ask for a code, for an invitation code of the teacher. So the student should type this code and he has access to the library as a student, and the student can he has access to the library and the different books, different multimedia, and he can also create a new book and add it to the library that the teacher created. So it's like everything is shared between a student and teacher, which is very cool. So, and the same, the student can start creating its own book. All right, so that's pretty much for this tutorial. I hope you find it useful, and I just start creating your own books and enjoy this amazing app. See you soon, and have a nice day. Bye.